Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we will learn the first chapter of class 5, Armour for the Body. Now can you tell what is common in all these? Here you can see there is a bag, then pair of shoes, then a belt, and finally we have a jacket. So what is common in all of them? They are all made up of leather. Now the question is, from where do we get leather? We get them from drying animal skins. Now in this photo you can see these are the skins of various animals. The first step is, when an animal is dead or slaughtered, then the skin is taken out from that animal, and after that the salting is done. That means it is mixed with salts, and the unwanted substances are removed from the skin. That means the hairs or anything which is not related with the skin, all those, for example, there may be fats, there may be some lumps of tissues, so all these things are removed from the skin, and then that skin is washed thoroughly in water, in a water tank, to remove salt. Now next step is to mix chemical so that the hairs are removed from the skins, and the skin now finally get transformed to a leather. Finally the leather is dried. So why leather is bad? Leather tanneries. Now what is the process of tanning? Tanning is the process of treating skins and hides of animals to produce leather. A tannery is the place where the skins are processed. So in leather tanneries, they pollute with carcinogenic chemicals. What are carcinogenic chemicals? The chemicals which cause cancer. It may be formaldehyde, cyanide, lead, and chromium. All are used in different tanneries around the world, and these dangerous toxins are released into waterways during the manufacturing process. So nowadays there are lots of substitutes or alternatives to leather are found. So these bags are not made up of leather, rather they are made up of polyurethane or cotton. Now let us talk about our skin. Let us go through some interesting facts of our skin. Skin is the largest organ of our body, and total 15% of our body weight is covered by the skin. Total 20 square feet of our body is covered by skin, and skin renews at a super fast rate. 50,000 cells are lost and renewed every minute. So in every 28 days you will get a completely new skin. And skin is not uniformly thick at every place, thinnest on eyelids and thickest on heels. A single square inch of skin has about 300 sweat glands. Now here you can see in this diagram, this is a cross section of our skin. That means if we cut our skin and if we see it through the microscope, then we will find these layers. For example, the upper layer is known as the epidermis and the lower layer is known as the dermis. So these are the two important layers of our skin, and here you can see all these projections are nothing but skin hairs, and finally the skin is attached to the muscle. Now what are the functions of our skin? It protects us from injury, it protects us from bacteria and all the microbes which we cannot see through our naked eyes. It also helps in secretion. For example, our skin remains oily due to the secretion from the sebaceous gland. Skin is also acting as a site for sensation. For example, if someone pinches you, then you can feel the pain. If someone tickles you, they can also feel the sense. If you keep your hand on some hot object, you can feel the hotness. If you keep your hand on some ice cubes, then you also feel the coldness. Now, skin also regulates the heat. For example, in summer season, we sweat a lot and thereby it cools our body. And in winter, what happens that it just prevents the heat to go outside of our body and thereby keep our temperature constant. It also helps in excretion. For example, in summer, we sweat a lot and thereby we excrete through skins. And it also helps in absorption. So there are lots of functions which are done by the skin. And finally, the skin covers up arteries and veins. As you can see in this diagram, the heart is present here, and then you can see that there are two pipes. One pipe is blue in color, one pipe is red in color. The red color carries oxygen. These are known as the arteries, and the blue colored tube is known as the vein. It carries carbon dioxide rich blood. And arteries you cannot see superficially because they are present deep inside our body. On the other hand, the veins can be observed superficially because they are present almost top side. Now here you can see the top 10 animals with toughest skin: crocodile, elephant, hippopotamus, then we have honey badger. This one is armadillo. Beside it is bison, camel, rhinoceros, sperm whale and whale shark. And remember, whale shark has the thickest skin in the world. It has almost 10 centimeter thick skin. So this is all about our skin. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any query, then do write in the comment section and I shall answer to your query. Thanks for watching this video.